Hi, I have tribe. In today's recipe, we'll be making pepper soup rice. Let's get started. First things first, I have my protein. For this, I'm using goat meat. I'm going to season with ginger, garlic, pepper. I use both red pepper and yellow pepper, salt, and pepper soup spice. These are the key ingredients I use. I also use seasoning cube as well. After this, allow it to steam out its own water. Then I added my blended tomatoes, uziza water, and more blended tomatoes as well. The essence of the tomato is to give it its color. I added this pepper soup spice that is common in the market and allow it to boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. And my goat meat is done. Increase the water a bit, topped up with some crayfish. I also checked it for taste. This taste check helps you to balance every other thing. And I added my scent leaves. This scent leaf gives it a particular flavor, which I do love. At this point, my pepper soup is ready. And the next phase is we're going to start by cooking the rice. For the rice, I boil water, wash rice, put inside. I'm going to be parboiling this rice because I'm using Nigerian rice, which is the big bowl rice. After parboiling it, I'm going to bring back my pepper soup water. Here's the pepper soup I made initially. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to sieve the pepper soup water out. Reason being that it contains some scent leaves, some veggies, and some meat particles. I don't want to cook it from scratch again, so I'll just sieve out the liquid which I'm going to use to cook the rice, and later on in the video I'm going to be adding back this remnant back into the rice. This is what we got out of the pepper soup water. So I'm going to top it up because of the rice. It needs to absorb more water. So I'm going to top it up with some more seasoning, which is ginger, garlic paste, my pepper, my oziza, and my pepper soup spice as well, inclusive of salt, as well as fresh tomatoes and my seasoning cubes. All the things I added initially, I'm going to top it up because if you use just that water like that, the rice is not going to be tasty as it should. So top up all your herbs, your seasonings, and ensure that the taste balances. So the water is ready. It's time to add back the rice and allow this to cook until it is done. Of course, you know that the quantity of water you're using to cook this rice should be enough. You've done your calculations, know the level at which your rice is, whether it's still hard or semi-hard or not too hard. So you should be able to know the quantity of water enough for you. Top up with some crayfish, very, very important. After adding the crayfish, I chopped some onions and I'm going to add this because onions has its own flavor. And it's now time for me to add back the remnant I got from the pepper soup water. After adding this, I just, cover it up and I'm going to allow this to cook for the next maybe 5 minutes until the water dries. In between, I open and add in some oil because I actually forgot I didn't add oil, although this is optional. At this point, it's time for me to check if the water has dried and if the rice is perfectly cooked. Now my rice is done, I'm going to bring out more scent leaves. These are the veggies I'm adding. Scent leaf gives it a very nice taste. Add it, combine it, and your rice is done. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Thanks for watching.